Yo, what's up everyone, Derek here. We're about to dive headfirst into some seriously game-changing travel hacks. I'm talking about the kind of tips that'll transform you from a stressed-out packer to a smooth traveling pro. Join me as I put my travel skills to the test and try out 10 ultimate travel hacks you absolutely need to know for 2024. This isn't just about saving space in your carry-on, it's about maximizing efficiency, minimizing stress, and making sure every trip you take this year is as seamless as possible. From packing cubes to portable chargers, we're covering it all. Let's do this. Alright, hack number 1, the roll. Forget everything you thought you knew about folding clothes. We're rolling them, people. Rolling your clothes not only saves a ton of space in your bag, but it also helps prevent wrinkles. Think about it. Less creasing means less ironing, and less ironing means more time exploring your destination. I'm using these t-shirts as an example. Watch how tightly I can roll them. Now, imagine doing this with all your clothes. You'll be amazed at how much extra room you create. Plus, it keeps everything organized and easy to find. No more digging through a messy pile of clothes. Hack number 2, packing cubes. These little guys are a game changer. They're like mini drawers for your suitcase, keeping everything separated and organized. I use one for shirts, one for pants, one for underwear. You get the idea. It's like having a portable closet, even in the smallest carry-on. Plus, it makes packing and unpacking a breeze. No more exploding suitcases. Trust me, once you try packing cubes, you'll never go back. Hack number 3, wear your bulkiest items. This one's a no-brainer. If you're worried about your heaviest jacket or boots taking up too much space, just wear them on the plane. It might feel a little bulky at the airport, but it'll save you precious room in your carry-on. Think layers too. A light jacket under a heavier one can be a lifesaver on chilly flights. And hey, if you get too warm, you can always tie that extra layer around your waist. Chapter 4. Every inch counts. Hack number 4, utilize every inch of space. Stuff your socks inside your shoes. Fill any gaps in your bag with small items like chargers or toiletries. Think of your carry-on like a Tetris game. The goal is to fit as much as possible without breaking the zipper. This is where those rolled-up clothes really come in handy. They fit snugly into those awkward spaces, maximizing every square inch. Chapter 5, Pillow Talk. Hack number 5, invest in a good travel pillow. Comfort is key, especially on long flights. A good travel pillow can make the difference between a restful nap and a stiff neck. There are tons of different styles out there, so find one that works for you. Trust me, your neck will thank you. Chapter 6, Toiletry Time Saver. Hack number 6, keep a toiletry bag ready to go. Pre-pack a small bag with all your essential toiletries. This saves you time and hassle every time you travel. Just grab it and go. Make sure it meets TSA regulations for carry-on liquids, of course. Chapter 7, hack number 7, use a digital luggage scale. Avoid those dreaded overweight baggage fees by weighing your bag before you leave for the airport. These little scales are cheap and easy to use, and they can save you a lot of money in the long run. Chapter 8, power up. Hack number 8, pack a portable charger. Keeping your devices charged is crucial, especially when you're on the go. A portable charger is a lifesaver for long flights, train rides, or days spent exploring. Never be caught with a dead battery again. Chapter 9, Hydrate and Save. Hack number 9, bring a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is important, especially when you're traveling. A reusable water bottle is not only good for your health, it's good for the environment too. Fill it up after security and stay refreshed throughout your journey. Chapter 10, Document Detective. Hack number 10, have a travel document organizer. Keep your passport, boarding passes, and other important documents in one safe and easily accessible place. This will save you time and stress at the airport and throughout your trip. No more frantic searching for that elusive boarding pass. So there you have it, my top 10 travel hacks for 2024. I hope these tips help you make the most of your travels this year. Remember, it's all about being prepared, staying organized, and maximizing your comfort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel tips and tricks throughout the year. Let's make your 2024 travels unforgettable. Now get out there and explore the world.